Welcome back to What Karen Loves, and today I'm going to be doing summer outfit ideals, of course, from Zaful. And before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and also go check out the description below if you haven't already, and go check out the Patreon account. I finally started a Patreon for this channel. I thought, why not? I thought it'd be kind of fun to do that. And if you become a supporter for that, you get a bunch of awesome things. You know, you get behind the scenes of the IGTV fashion series on Instagram, which is awesome. I just finally, you seen the recent one I did. I'm working on a bunch of those still, so you get to see some behind the scenes of that. You also get to see stuff that's not posted on this channel as a supporter on there, and also you get to see if you support it, you get to see some styles. I'll get to style you. I'll send you some outfit ideals. We'll get together and you send me some things you like, your favorite things, all that type of stuff. There's so much other stuff. The link will be in the description below. Go check it out. Come a supporter, come a patron. There's a bunch of other stuff on there as well. Just a bunch of stuff. I thought it would be a great ideal, I just want to chat with you guys, let you guys have more access to What Karen Loves and be able to do more with you guys and get more creative with you guys and all that type of stuff. So there'll be other stuff posted on there eventually, so stay tuned. So if you do become a patron, because there will be stuff only available to patrons. So go do that. So anyways, let's get started. This is going to be, of course, summer outfit ideals from Zaful. I love Zaful. Haven't got any clothes from there, but they have some cute clothes, I have to say. So summer is here. Is it officially? I think it is officially today. So why not do that? We haven't done that yet. So, I'm all glammed up today. Well, kind of glammed up because I got some makeup on today. And it's got some, yellow for summer. And, thought why not do a summer outfit ideal. And let's get started. We got 5 outfit ideals. And I think today's blog, trying to figure out what today's blog will be about, because trying to figure that out lately, but we'll figure it out. We'll be down below in the description below, so go check it out down below. It will be up by the time this video is up. Hopefully it'll be up today. Still having issues, even though I fixed the OneDrive, it's still having issues, so I don't know what the deal is. We don't know. We've been figuring it out. Anyways, here's outfit number 1. I love this outfit. I love. I'm so in love with this romper. I've been obsessed with it since I saw it. I really want to get it so bad. But see, every time I get rompers, not even gonna lie, I have one right now in my dresser, I guess you would say. But I think it's just might be the size. I don't know that I got, or the style of it. I don't know, but it shows way too much cleavage in my buttocks, I guess you would say. But so that's the only thing that kind of wears me about ordering things online, because you can't really try them on before you buy them, because then you would have to try them on. If it doesn't fit you, you would have to try to figure out how to return it. So that just frustrates me a little bit. So anyways, here's this outfit number 1 right here. Hopefully it pops up right about now. I love this romper right here. I mean, it has like the moon has stars. It's so cute. I love it. Who doesn't want to be underneath the stars and the moon and everything like that under like a summer night? And I love these little booties. So cute. I thought it went together with the extra black and all that. So cute. And nor that makes gray. So it's usually always what I always use anyways. And I just really like it. I thought it was a great outfit for summer. Who doesn't wear rompers? in the summer. I like rompers. I mean, you know, it's just me. I like rompers. Okay. And then plus I like the little wrap around like little bow. It's so cute. And the straps are cute as well. The design, I just like the design. It's so cute. Okay. Outfit number 2. I love this one as well. I mean, who doesn't love a little summer dress? It's got sunflowers on it. I love sunflowers. I've been wanting to get some for my house, but every time I find some, they literally look like they're dying. So hopefully soon. But these are so cute. It has little pockets. Has looks like, hold on, if I can zoom in on my phone today, that'd be great. It's so cute. Look, I like the shoes as well. I wanted to try to find like flower, like the little flower, like flower related like shoes. And there's the only ones I've seen that looked cute enough that would go together on it. Anyways, back to the dress. I really do like the dress though. I thought it was cute. I like it. I don't know, but it's probably too long for me. Probably not me. I trip over everything. But anyways, my nose is really itchy right now. Anyways, back together. It has a little God, I can't think today. What is wrong with me? Anyways, I was feeling sick yesterday. Today I'm alright, so I'm hoping I'm not getting sick again. Anyways, buttons. That's where I was trying to think of. Buttons. Has little buttons on it. I thought that was really cute. I don't know. I just really like it. Hopefully it's popping up as I'm talking about it, because that was just really embarrassing. Okay. Outfit number 3. Okay. I really love this one, even though I don't have the body for it. It's still cute. Someone would wear it. Please wear it, because it's super cute. And I love the shoes. It goes great with it. I mean, we got some flower patterns going on here. We got the shoes got some, looks like flower pattern too. Sandals, who can't go wrong with sandals in the summer. And a 2-piece outfit in the summer as well. You probably could put your, you know, your bathing suit in, or in it. You know what I mean? It's just cute. It's cute. You know what I mean? I just really like it. And also, I will have all the information for the outfits in the description of this video. So go check it out down below if you want to check out these outfits. I usually try to remember to do that, sometimes I do forget. Alright, anyways, back to the outfit. I like the flower, and I like the top as well. So cute. Just cute. I like it. Alright. Outfit number 4. I really love this outfit, and I love the boots as well. Go to the notes. It's a 2-piece outfit. I was gonna say jumpsuit, but it's not jumpsuit. Outfit for, and like it's a 2-piece outfit, and like I love like the flower pattern as well. I don't know why I'm looking like a flower pattern mood this week. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just like a summer right now. Anyways, and I love the boots as well. I mean, of course it can go with some cute sandals as well. But I really like these boots. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just the way they look. I don't know. I just really like them. I like them. I think they're cute. And I like the back of the boots as well. I think they're just so neat looking. Maybe it's just me. I think they go good together. It's just so cute. It would be great night out, you know, out in the night with your boo thing, you know. Outfit number 5, the last one, and I love this one. This is probably one of my favorites. I mean, we got this romper, and it's got some long sleeves, got roses, and it's so beautiful. I love it. And the boots are the heels. I'm sorry, just not thinking today. And I really love how these heels look. I mean, it's got flowers, it's got the gold. I mean, come on, look at them. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. I love them. I want them, but I feel like I would trip and then hurt myself. So, yeah. Anyway, I really like the way they look. I feel like it would go good together with it. I feel like it would go together with any of the outfits I chose today, honestly. They're just so pretty. I don't know. They're so pretty. Anyways, hopefully everything popped up and everything. Peace to God, okay. I think that everything went good. And everything worked. And I think everything looked good. But, you know, sometimes my head has different opinions than other people. But it's okay. You know, creative minds think differently. But it's okay. That's all I have, guys, today for summer outfit ideals from Zaful. Go check out the description below for all the details down below. And also comment down below, what are you doing for summer? What are you doing? Are you going to go get that free cone for Dairy Queen? Remember, it's with a purchase. Kind of stupid, but whatever. You can just go do that at McDonald's. Anyways, you can just buy it from McDonald's, you know. I mean, it's pretty much the same thing. I'll buy it anyway. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun doing it. Hopefully we can do like a fashion lookbook soon. I've been working on that it's just hard to do because, like, you know, like the editing software has been giving me a buttload of trouble, as you can see with Too Cute to Discuss. This after show's been like a wonky schedule lately. So I'm hoping soon that will come soon. So like, just give it time. But anyways, stay tuned for that. And anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. And until then, hope you guys have a great day. And like I said, go check out the Patreon down below, and also check out the latest video. Hopefully the ending of this video will actually have the ending card. So go check out the latest video. I've been working on the ending card, but like it's been literally cutting all my outro cards of all my YouTube channel.